talking about the similarities and differences of plant and animal cells in our daily lives. Coming up, are animal cells similar to plant cells, or is this just a conspiracy theory? DNA. Is it a chemical substance or America's newest rap group? The drawbridge scandal. What's keeping a dozen different types of materials passing? JELLO. The Kraft-owned food company is going after cytoplasm, challenging them about their positive mood. Cytoplasm's positive mood is causing chemical reactions, which Jell-O sees as a threat. And do you have enough energy? Scientific breakthroughs find new forms of usable energy in the mitochondrium. Move over, Spanx. Vacuoles is the latest way to maintain your shape. In our top story tonight, is it fair? A look at the social classes of cells. And on our trend report, chlorophyll has every interior decorator going blue for green this season. I'm Sally Science. This is Cells 10 Nightly News. Thanks for joining us tonight. You might have been wondering about cells. Well, studies show animal cells are similar to plant cells in that they are both eukaryotic cells and have similar organelles. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cells. While animal cells come in various sizes and tend to have irregular shapes, plant cells are more similar in size and are typically rectangular or cube-shaped. Isn't it amazing to learn that both plant and animal cells have a boss better known as the nucleus? The nucleus contains DNA and controls many functions. You might have asked yourself, what is DNA? DNA are genes that are made up of a chemical substance called deoxyribonucleic acid and is stored in the nucleus of all cells. DNA holds the instructions for making protein needed for the growth and development of new organisms. The cell membrane is known as the drawbridge for the cells. It is known as this because it only allows some things to pass through while it blocks others. There may be a dozen different types of materials passing through the membrane of a cell at any one time. Sounds like the cell membrane has its work cut out for it. The Jell-O controversy. Cytoplasm is Jell-O-like. It also has chemical reactions, which means that it is always in a positive mood. If it wasn't in a positive mood, the chemical reactions would be negative and damage or even kill the cell. The mitochondrion is rod-shaped and converts the energy stored in glucose into usable energy. The mitochondrion is also double-membraned. Being double-membraned would give me a boost of energy too. The vacuole. The vacuole is like a reservoir in a sense. It is a large space within a plant cell filled with fluid that helps maintain the shape of the cell. Watch out, Spanx. The vacuole seems like it's shaping things up. And our top story, is it fair? A plant cell has everything that an animal cell has, but an animal cell does not have everything that a plant cell has. Plant cells have a cell wall which is thick and rigid like fiberglass. The cell wall surrounds the cell and gives the cell most of its support and structure. It's much like the stem does for a leaf or bones do for humans. I don't know about you, but I think animals just keep coming up short. For our trend report, we're going live on the scene with Bill Beaker.
Thanks, Sally. I'm here live with a plant, talking about chlorophyll. Plant, what is it that gives chlorophyll that green color everyone's going crazy about?
It's all about that magnesium base, Bill.
There you have it, Sally. Bill Beaker, reporting live.
Well, thanks, Bill. And our final story tonight, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that converts energy from sunlight into food in the plant cells. Inside each of these tiny plant cells are 1/200 of small structures called chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are what give plants a green color and help the plant cells form something delicious. Chloroplasts exist in the cytoplasm of plant cells. So the next time you hear a plant say it's hungry, tell it to get some more chloroplast. That'll do it for us tonight. I'm Solid Science, signing out.